Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at the Strasburg Railroad, Strasburg, Pennsylvania, near Lancaster, Pennsylvania. It's about 12:57, and I think the train is going to be departing soon. You can see all the steam on the side, steam up ahead, and a light right at the front. People are rushing to cross the tracks. We'll get a little bit closer, see the features of this train. A lot of the steam building up on the outside. See the wheels, levers, and Strasburg right on the side, number 90. Here's the conductor coming down, or a person coming down. Stepping down on this side. There we go. Come through here, see a bell in the middle. It's a little bit alarming with the horns. We'll get more toward the front. There's the conductor motioning, ready to go, and here are the bells. Strasburg Red Cap. Ah, here we are. Getting ready to go. There's our conductor. And ready to go. Coach cars as we're departing, and hear the horns. Lots of different cars coming through. Club car charter in the back, more fancy. They're including some food and drinks. And see the green stained glass, and more staff waves away. Get a view from the back. And there you have it. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Strasburg Railroad. Stay tuned for more content.